Hello plant lovers, welcome to Jerry's garden. Today I am going to propagate Yucca palm plants from cuttings. These are one of the easiest plants to grow from cuttings. It's a fun and rewarding process that can help you expand your plant collection. So let's dive in. The first step is to choose a healthy Yucca palm plant with mature stems. Look for the stem that are about 1 to 2 feet long and have a few leaves at the top. Use clean pruning tool and make a cut just above a node, which is the point where the leaves attach to the stem. It is important to use a clean pruning tool to prevent infections or diseases from spreading to the cuttings. Also avoid using stems that are flowering, as they are less likely to root successfully. I've got the perfect cutting size. Now let's get them ready for rooting. Remove 2 to 3 leaves from bottom, as it will develop more roots and promote a healthy plant growth. Here I am using a well-drained potting mix to provide the cuttings with the right conditions for rooting. Yucca palm plants prefer well-drained soil, so it's important to use a mix that allows excess water to drain away. Now sow the cuttings 3 to 4 inches deep into the soil. Once the cuttings are potted, I'll place them in a warm, bright location with indirect sunlight. These plants need plenty of light to root successfully, but direct sunlight can be too intense and may damage the cuttings. This is the result after 30 days. The cuttings have grown new and fresh leaves, and the growth looks very healthy. The cuttings have developed strong and vigorous root systems, which is indicating a successful propagation of the cuttings. With proper care and patience, you'll soon have new Yucca palm plants added to your collection. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time.